there is a new tool that's going to make cleaning your bathroom faster and easier. Keep watching to see all the features of the new Enyo multi-tool bathroom. I'm Debbie Ferguson with Enyo, the cleaning system that is simple, smart, and sustainable, using fiber technology and just water. Let's take a look at the features of the new multi-tool. The fiber is flat, which gives you a great contact with the surfaces that you are cleaning. The corners are square, which makes it efficient at cleaning into the corners. The tool itself has a swivel to it. This makes it ergonomically better for your body. So you can flip it to clean upwards or this way and even this way. You can also attach the telescopic pole to the handle to give you an extended reach without having to reach or use ladders. And you can use that for the ceilings, high places, or even the floor. You can also attach our twister to give you more versatility. So think glass, tile, mirrors, any large surfaces in your bathroom, but also think about small spaces such as the floor around the toilet area or the floor in a shower stall. So whether you have mobility issues or not, you are going to see the benefits of using this new multi-tool in your bathroom. So now let's see it in action. Here I've attached our telescopic pole to the multi-tool. This is going to give me an extended reach, and here in the shower. The great thing about the Enyo fiber is that it is square and I can reach into those corners so easily to clean. Another area of use for the bathroom fiber on the multi-tool is flooring that is hard to reach. So here, with just a little bit of water, we're able to reach the floor around the toilet area much easier with the smaller fiber on the telescopic pole. Here we're going to use the multi-tool bathroom fiber on the telescopic pole in this large soaker tub. So whether you have mobility issues or not, you will find that you can simply clean these large deep tubs without having to bend over. Your bonus tip for the multi-tool is that there are 3 other fiber options from our living range that will fit onto the multi-tool. With these living range fibers, you can clean windows inside and out, walls, cabinetry, siding, trailers, making this a very versatile tool to have to clean your home. Leave a comment if you found this helpful or if you have questions.